Right there. That is so, so, so good. After you come in from shoveling all the snow we're gonna get, there's nothing better waiting for you on the stove than this. So the first thing we're gonna start with is a pot, and I'm gonna put extra virgin olive oil just to coat the bottom, and literally gonna throw all of my veggies in at once. Everything but the garlic. For my veggies, I have carrots, celery, onions, zucchini, cherry tomatoes. Like I said earlier, this is the perfect soup to clean out your produce straw. So now I'm going to hit it with some salt and pepper. And now we're just going to sweat down our vegetables for 5 minutes or so. Now that our veggies have sweated down for about 7 or 8 minutes, I'm going to grate in some garlic. Just about 2 cloves. Make sure you get all that garlic off the back of your microplane. I'm just going to give that a toss. Now, as soon as you can start to smell the garlic, that takes about 30 seconds or so. We're going to put in our parsley, our dill, 2 bay leaves, and the rind from my Parmigiano-Reggiano. And I'm just going to give that a toss. Now, you might be thinking, why isn't my chicken in here already? That's because my chicken was already fully cooked, and I don't want it to dry out while we are softening the vegetables and making this soup married together. Now I'm just going to go in with 12 cups of chicken stock, so that's 3 boxes if you're using the box. Now we're just going to give that a stir, get everything combined, get everything off the sides of the pot. We're going to go in one more time with some salt and pepper. One more stir, and then we're going to let this come to a boil. We're going to reduce the heat to a simmer, and we're going to simmer this away for about 45 minutes. The last 15 minutes of cooking, I'm going to add my shredded chicken in. Okay, so now that our soup has been simmering away for about 45 minutes, let's finish her off. So I'm going to add in my shredded chicken. This is just the leftover chicken breasts that I had in the refrigerator, and I just shredded them up. And then we're going to hit it, because this is, after all, creamy chicken tortellini soup, with some heavy cream. Just about a cup. Look at that gorgeous color already. Okay, so that was about a cup of heavy cream. Now we're just going to let this simmer away for about 15 more minutes. And then we're going to taste her. Our creamy chicken tortellini soup is done. And oh boy, does that look good. After you come in from shoveling all the snow we're going to get, there's nothing better waiting for you on the stove than this. Right there. That is so, so, so good. It has everything you want for a cold, snowy day. The tortellini, which by the way, I boiled the tortellini separately because in case you have leftovers, I don't like my pasta to get mushy when I reheat it and overcook the pasta, so I always make the pasta separately from the soup. This has everything you want. It's creamy, it's hearty, it's warm. I can't sing this soup's praises enough. If you want the recipe to my creamy chicken tortellini soup, just comment the word recipe in the comment box below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and stay safe in the snow.